Hello everyone, how are you today? Okay, in this occasion, I'm going to talk about general strategies for listening sessions, especially computer TOEFL tests. There are about there are 14 general strategies for listening session in computer TOEFL tests. What are they? Okay, I'll explain it. Here we go. Number one, be familiar with the directions. The directions on every computer TOEFL test are the same. So it is necessary to spend time reading the directions. Not necessary to spend time reading directions carefully. When you take the test, you should be completely familiar with the direction before the day of the test. Number two, be familiar with computer activity. These sections of the computer TOEFL test is adaptive. This means that you will start with the medium level questions and then the difficulty of the questions will increase or decrease depending on whether or not your answers are correct. Number three is set the volume carefully before you start the listening sessions. You have the opportunity to choose the volume that you would like before you start the session. Number four, dismiss the directions as soon as they come up. The time starts when the directions come up. You should already be familiar with the directions, so you can click on dismiss direction, the term of dismiss direction or the menu of dismiss directions as soon as it appears and save all your time for the question. Number five, listen carefully to the spoken material. So you will hear the spoken material one time only. You may not repeat the spoken material during the test. Number six is use the visuals to help you focus in the context. As you listen to the spoken material, you will see visual materials on the screen. The visual information may help you to understand the context for the spoken materials as well as the content of the spoken material as you listen. Number seven, pace yourself between questions. You control when the spoken material is played. You may take as much as time as you need between questions. Number eight, think carefully about a question before you answer it. You may not return to a question later in the test. You only have one opportunity to answer a given question. Number nine, click on answer on the computer screen when you have selected an answer. You may still change your mind at this point and click on a different answer. Number 10, click on the menu next and then click on menu confirm answer to record your answer. After you click on the confirm answer button, you cannot go back and change your answer. A new question will appear and you may not return to a previous question. Number 11, do not spend too much time on questions you are unsure of. If you truly do not know the answers to questions, simply guess and go on. The computer will automatically move you into the level of questions that you can answer. Number 12, be very careful not to make careless mistake. If you carelessly choose an incorrect answer, the computer will move you to an easier level of questions. You will have to waste time working your way back to the appropriate level of question. Number 13, monitor the time carefully on the title bar of the computer screen. The title bar indicates the time remaining in the listening session, the total number of questions in the sections, and the current number. The last, number 14, do not randomly guess at the end of the section to complete all the questions in the section before time is up. In a computer adaptive section, such as the listening session, random guessing to complete the session will only lower your score. Well, everyone, that's all about general strategies for the listening section. Start with the be familiar with the direction and until do not randomly guess at the end of section to complete all the questions in this section before time's up. I hope you enjoyed, everybody. Have a good time to study listening TOEFL and see you soon in the next video.